Hi, let's crochet a scrunchie together. Materials: chunky yarn, 6.5mm hook, ribbon and elastic hair ties. First, make a slip knot. Make a slip stitch into the elastic. Pull through the slip knot. Then make single crochet round. Before closing the first row, tie a ribbon at the end of row 1. Row 2, chain 3. Make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat the same pattern until finish. Close row with slip stitch. All done. Weave in the extra yarn. Super easy, happy crocheting!